So I added a Python decorator to my agent wala project. And decorator is basically a wrapper that adds extra behavior around the function without changing the function itself. I used it just to log a few things and to get a taste of it. Response time, tokens used, and which tools were being called. Simple stuff. But the moment I switched it on, the logs started exposing everything. Slow tool calls, confused behavior, inconsistent reasoning, random delays, all the weaknesses hiding inside my agentic setup. That's when it clicked for me. This is exactly what observability and monitoring are meant to do. Not to fix your AI system, but to show you the truth about how it's behaving under the hood. Hi, I'm Krishna. This is day 28, and in this video, we're talking about observability and monitoring. One of the most underrated but crucial parts of building real AI systems. Because building and shipping is easy, but making it reliable, that's where observability comes in. Think of observability like installing a glass brain inside your AI system. Not just is it working, but why did it behave like this? Why did latency spike? Why did RAG return irrelevant chunks? Why did the agent call the wrong tool? Observability is about exposing the hidden workings of your pipeline so you can understand behavior instead of guessing. Second is monitoring. But people mix these two ideas like observability versus monitoring, but they both are different. Monitoring is alerting, like when your phone tells you battery is at 10%. Observability is understanding, like what app drained the battery and why. In AI, monitoring is latency is high. Observability is latency is high because retrieval slowed down, because your embeddings model is overloaded. One tells you the symptom and other tells you the cause. So coming back to my decorator, all I did was wrap the agent's LLM response with time taken, tokens used, which tool it called, how many passes it made. And immediately the truth appeared. The agent wasn't reliable, and now I had proof. That's exactly what observability feels like in real systems. You finally see the hidden logic, the mistakes, the inefficiencies. So here are the exact signals real AI systems track. Prompt logs. Every single prompt sent to the model, raw and cleaned. Second is responses, tokens, safety flags, hallucination indicators. Third is latency breakdown, embedding time, retrieval time, generation time, tool call time. Fourth is token usage, cost per request broken down into input-output tokens. Fifth is RAG signals, which chunks were retrieved, their embedding distances, re-ranker scores. Did the model actually use them? This gives a complete picture of the AI system's brain. And in real companies, nobody logs everything manually. They plug into tools like Langfuse, Helicone, Azure AI, Datadog, weights and biases. These tools make your AI pipeline transparent. But why all of this matters? Because when you add observability, you reduce cost, you detect hallucinations, fix broken prompts fast, see which retrievals fail, understand agent behavior, avoid outages, know exactly why your model degraded. It turns your AI system from a black box into a glass box. So that small decorator I added, it accidentally taught me maybe the biggest lesson in AI engineering. Don't guess what your system is doing. Make it show you. That is observability and monitoring. Alright, that's day 28 done. See you in the next one. Let's do it.